Hey everybody, are you living in an English speaking country right now and still saying things like, I very like this, or I have 30 years when you mean to say your age? Then you, my friends at home, are probably making the same English mistakes I, as a teacher, have heard over and over again from expatriates and newcomers to English speaking countries all over the world. My name's Ben, founder of English from A to Z, and creator of the upcoming course, Speak Easy, Everyday English for Expats. And today I'm breaking down 5 of the top 10 most common mistakes that drive native speakers a little bit crazy. But don't worry, I've got you covered on how to fix them and fix them well. Let's begin with number 1. I am agree. Not correct? Nope. Just say I agree. That little am in the sentence is crashing the party uninvited. You could say I agree with you, but you don't want to say I am agree with you, or I am agreeing with you, but we don't say I am agree. Number 2, he have a car. It's he has a car. Third person singular. It's a little bit tricky, but it's proper English grammar. Number 3, I have 30 years. Not quite. Not unless you've been stockpiling years in your basement. Say instead, I'm 30 years old, or simply, I'm 30. That's the correct way to do it. Number 4, I very like it. You can say I really like it, or I like it a lot, but I very like it, no go here grammatically. And number 5, last but not least, is better for me. You actually mean there, it is better for me. Remember to not ghost the subject of the sentence, folks. Remember the it at the beginning. Grammar ghosting is real when it comes to forming complete sentences. And that's just the start of how to spot and fix these major mistakes I've noticed that newcomers or expatriates in an English-speaking country face. But it's easy to correct. Now, do you want to see the rest of the list? We cover 5, but I have 10 mistakes total. And you want to finally stop making those silly yet fixable English mistakes? Make sure to go to our website and grab my free guide on building confidence in English. Top 10 mistakes tourists and expats must avoid. You can find it at the link below this video on our YouTube channel, or go to www.englishfromatozcom/free-guide, where I go deeper into detail on all top 10 mistakes with both real examples and real fixes for you all at home. And if you're ready to level up your everyday English with practical lessons for real life situations, then you want to subscribe and be ready to not miss our upcoming new course, Speak Easy, Everyday English for Expats. It's launching soon. We're gathering interest right now, and you'll want to sign up because, trust me, it's the English language boost you've been needing. Remember, let's ditch the awkward grammar, sound more natural with English, and actually feel confident in conversations, whether you're at the bank, at the doctor, or especially at work or in the classroom. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our English from A to Z channel, and drop your worst English mistake you're making in your new country, whether the UK, the US, or Canada, in the comments below. I promise to help you fix them, and I'll be looking in the comments for your submissions. Thank you all so much, and hope to hear from you all soon about our course or our free guide. Thanks, everybody. Take care now. Bye-bye.